was another big ass. It was another big ass fish, like twice the size of the one I caught, and it took like fucking 2 minutes to pull it in. I didn't think it was coming in. And that was powerful. But we pulled it in, and then my boy was freaking the fuck out. He's like, yo, no way you caught that. And apparently, it's like the only place in Jersey that has that type of fish. He was freaking the fuck out. He was like, yo, I gotta send a picture of He's like, yo, I gotta send a picture of my dad. Like, they've been trying to catch this shit for 15 years. And I fucking caught it my first ever time fishing. Like, what? Holy shit. It's fast, but I still haven't slept yet because I'm still so hyped from catching a fish. It was fucking crazy. Like, I felt it bite. And I told my boy, I'm like, yo. Came like sprinting over. I was like fighting a war. Getting this big ass fish to like relax. I finally reeled him in. And like, I felt like a little ass kid. Like, top 5 moments of my life, for sure, honestly. And then, obviously, I had to take a picture of it, flex on the ground. Like, what else are you supposed to do when you catch a fish? I wish we could have cooked it and eat it, but my boy was like, no, they're not good, bro. Like, whatever. So, we reeled in. And this thing's fucking huge. Like, it's a fucking mammoth, bro. And my boy's like, yo, bro, we gotta wash this off and then take a picture. So he goes to wash it off. And the shit bites him. And swims away. And we're just sitting there like, bro, what the fuck? But my nose just been driving me fucking crazy, like, my whole night. Like, it's so itchy. I think it's because there's just one seems going on right now. Because it's so nice out. So, I had to rip some shank meat and just get rid of this fucking tickle, which it made it worse, honestly. I'm kind of regretting I did this. Because it's just taking so much work. It's so fucking itchy. Oh my god, I'm so glad she got out of tissue. Holy shit. These are getting fucking powerful. God. So fucking itchy, you have no idea. I'm fucking crying right now. This just didn't help at all. That's it. congested. Still fucking though. I think that's it though.